So the plan today for the Wisconsin QSO Party is to go mobile. It's March and Wisconsin weather can be quite unpredictable. Today's snow should make it really interesting. Dave, KZ9V and I had an elaborate plan for the Wisconsin QSO Party. We would enter the multi-mobile category. That is multi-operator, multi-transmitter mobile operation. But a late season winter storm changed our itinerary. I escaped the bad weather by driving west, and we picked 3 parks in 3 counties near his home. Is it Kilo 9 Mike /9?
QSO Party, Kilo 9 Mike,
Okay.
Kilo 9 Mike, Dunn County Mobile.
Whiskey 9, Hotel Delta Golf.
Whiskey 9, Hotel Delta Golf. Afternoon there, Travis. 5-9 into Dunn County, DUN.
Roger, 5-9 in Price, PRI.
All right, thanks for the Price County, and good luck in the contest.
7-3 Michael, Whiskey 9, Hotel Delta Golf.
7-3. This is Kilo 9 Mike, Wisconsin QSO Party.
Kilo 9 Mike, W9 Tokyo, America. Thank you for done. It's probably an all-time new one.
Kilo 9 Mike, Wisconsin QSO Party, parks on the air.
Kilo 0 Sierra Tango.
The Sierra Tango station.
Kilo 0 Sierra Tango.
Kilo 0 Sierra Tango 5-9 Dunn County, Delta Uniform November, Park 8222. Back to you.
And you are 5 and 6 into St. Louis, Missouri.
All right, thanks for the Missouri. Good luck in 7-3. Kilo 9 Mike, Wisconsin QSO Party.
Alpha Charlie 0 Charlie Uniform.
Alpha Charlie 0 Charlie Uniform 5-9 into Dunn County, Delta Uniform November, Park 8222. Back to you.
QSO, you're also 5-9er. Thank you for Dunn County and 8222. You're 5-9er Missouri, Mike Oscar.
But yeah, so we're here at just finishing up at the Red Cedar Trail in Dunn County. And I got 114 contacts in an hour 45 minutes. And how many did you say you got?
I've got a total of 64.
64 on CW. So
mine was pretty evenly split between 20 and 40, but I think my rate was better on 20.
my rate was a lot better. I was on 20 and 40. I had 20. By 40 meters, I just got like 24 in 45 minutes, and then in the hour on 20 meters, 90. So it's.
Yeah. But a few of my multipliers on 40, of course, were in Wisconsin, so that should help.
Yep.
So yeah, it's interesting.
Well,
I didn't hear any interference.
No.
I never heard you, and I don't think you ever heard me. And I got up to ran 30 watts for a while.
Okay. Yep. No, it was nice and clean. So the filters are working.
Yeah.
So we gotta stow a little bit of gear, and
Yep.
I think it's gonna take us about 20 minutes to get to the next park.
Yeah, maybe a half hour.
Half hour?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, let's get rolling.
K9 Mike, K9 Sierra, Oscar.
Kilo 9 Sierra Oscar 5-9 Dunn County, Delta Uniform November. Back to you. W9 Oscar Alpha 5-9 into Dunn County, Delta Uniform November. QSL.
QSL, and you're 5-9 in Illinois.
Thank you for the Illinois, and good luck in the contest.
Thank you.
Stand by. We're crossing into Eau Claire County.
Okay.
Whiskey 9 Oscar Alpha, please copy 5-9 Eau Claire County.
QSO 59 India Lima.
Thank you for the India Lima. 7-3, good luck. Kilo 9 Mike, Wisconsin QSO Party.
Victor Alpha 3 India Mike Whiskey.
Victor Alpha 3, India Mike Whiskey 59 into Eau Claire County, Echo Alpha Uniform, Park 8221. Back to you. Victor Alpha 3, India Mike Whiskey, do you copy?
I just got you this time. You got some nasty QRM really close to you. You're 5 and 7 to Hamilton, Ontario. Roger.
Roger, the 57 Hamilton, Ontario. Yeah, I don't know if I can move or not. It's band is awful full here today.
Well, you're making the best of it, and you're getting through it. So keep up the good work. 7-3.
All right, 7-3. This is Kilo 9 Mike, Wisconsin QSO Party. Parks on the air.
We've still got probably 25 minutes to run here.
Yeah.
So I think we should just flip bands.
Okay. You're going to have to take this.
Yeah, there we go. That stays on there, right?
This is right. Wolf River coil, 40 meters. We're going to blow the whole thing to smithereens at this rate.
We haven't yet, but we're threatening.
Whiskey 9 Charlie Sierra Alpha.
Whiskey 9 Charlie Sierra Alpha 59 Eau Claire County, Echo Alpha Uniform.
QSL 59 Portage, Papa Oscar Romeo.
Thanks a lot for the portage in 7-3. Kilo Delta 9 Charlie Juliet X-Ray. Afternoon, Joe. 59 Eau Claire County, Echo Alpha Uniform. QSL.
59 Marathon. What car were you using again, Michael?
Thanks for the marathon. We're using Kilo 9 Mike. Kilo 9 Mike.
Okay, we got you clear. 7-3. Good luck.
7-3. Have a good one, Joe. This is Kilo 9 Mike, Wisconsin QSO Party.
Kilo America 9 Oscar Mike Yankee.
Kilo America 9 Oscar Mike Yankee 59 Eau Claire County, Echo Alpha Uniform. QSL.
QSL, the Eau Claire. You're also 59 in Eau Claire.
All right. Well, thanks a lot for the Eau Claire to Eau Claire. Need the multiplier. We got 2 parks down, 1 park left to go. We're going to stop here at the old Quick Trip in Eau Claire and take a little nature break, get a snack, and head on towards our 3rd park, which is going to be Lake Wissota State Park in Chippewa County.
Kilo 9 Mike in Chippewa. This is Kilo Echo 1 Tango Hotel Alpha in Crawford County. Crawford County.
Roger, the Crawford County, and I think that's a new one for me.
Please copy Dot County. No dots or no dots. Please copy Kenosha. Kilo Echo November. Roger 59 County Delta Alpha November.
It's 8 o'clock. Oh, what a day. I finished up with, 408 contacts, 74 multipliers for an estimated score of 47,400.
You're not going to believe this. You guys watching the video, we're sitting here like in two separate worlds, even though we're in the front of his truck. Okay?
Yeah.
So all I know is what band he's on, and he knows what band I'm on, and that's it.
That's it. That's it. He's CW, and I've been phoned the whole day.
Yeah. So the goal here was for Michael to make 400.
400.
And I was going to try and get half that many and hit 200. Now, he just said he's got 408, which is news to me. But you're not going to believe this. I have 204.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. What are the chances of that? It's exactly half.
Exactly half. The Wisconsin QSO Party's got an interesting classification called multi-mobile. Multi-operator, multi-transmitter, mobile operation. So try to figure that one out. Portable counts as mobile. So that was our goal here, was to set up in 3 parks in 3 different counties. We originally were going to do this out near my hometown of Wausau and do 3 counties there, but we're in a winter storm warning, and back home I got dumped on with about 10-12 inches of snow. So I came over here over to Eau Claire County, where Dave lives, where the storm.
It's also snowing.
We're snowing, but it was not snowing so bad. So we did. So it was. It was an interesting. That's Wisconsin for you in March. You know, it's going to be beautiful. It's going to either be a beautiful day, or you're just going to get absolutely dumped on.
You know, if you look at those stats, you'll see the guys with the big scores went to like 17 counties, which today I'll bet they had a lot of fun doing that.
Yeah, they probably had to cut way back because anything north of, in the northern half of the state, was just going to be pummeled with snow. So.
Yeah, it was a bad weather day. It'll be interesting to see the statistics when they compile them, because I think the mobiles are going to be way down.
Yep. All right. Well, I think we gotta get everything. Everything packed up and in the dark sorted out here. We got a mess in the back of Dave's new truck. So
yeah, my wife said, "Bring it home clean."
Clean. All right. Thanks a lot, everybody, for watching. Have a great evening at 73.
73.
Whiskey 9, Hotel Delta Golf.
Whiskey 9, Hotel Delta Golf. Thank you for the 3-peat, Travis. 5-9 into Chippewa, Charlie, Hotel India.
Roger, and I am still in Price County.
Go figure. Thanks for the Price County.
7-3, Michael. Be careful on your way home. It's been snowing like mad. W9.